from the previous video, shooting pigeons, 7, look at this beauty. Chop the pigeons in the middle, easy like that, very nice gizzards. And this fat, I'm gonna keep it. Spread the pigeons here, bit of salt, so nice and tasty. Chop the onions in the middle. Amount of olive oil, the garlics, laminated garlics, a bit of smoked paprika, crunched chilies, like this amount. Larga our pigeon. Look at this beauty. Well, it's so good.